Ever wondered about the immense power packed into a single lightning bolt? It's more than just a flash. These natural wonders are incredibly powerful, delivering astonishing amounts of electricity instantly. A typical lightning bolt contains hundreds of millions of volts and tens of thousands of amperes. That's enough to light up over 1,100,000-watt light bulbs simultaneously for a fleeting moment. In terms of energy, one powerful bolt can deliver about 5 billion joules. This is enough energy to power an average American home for over 3 months, or even multiple homes for an entire year. So a lightning bolt isn't just a bright flash, it's an incredible burst of natural energy. Truly a spectacular display of Earth's raw power. Like, share, and follow for more.